Hello guys, Mr.Kooraft. Today I'm back to show an awesome new tool. So, let's get started.
Everybody, there.
Actually, I've been keeping an eye on various ultrasonic cutters for quite a while now. And just recently, I got in touch with a startup company that's developing their own ultrasonic cutter. They kindly offered to send me one so I could try it out and share it with you guys. First of all, I want to say thank you for giving a small channel like mine this opportunity. Now, let's jump into the project and test this amazing tool in action. Let's get to it. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. And what you are seeing now is the Pro Kit, priced at $299.99. There's also basic kit for $289.99. And as you can see in the photo, there's not huge difference between the two. First, we have the main ultrasonic cutter and a pair of anti-cut gloves to keep your hands safe. Now this is part of the Pro Kit. It includes a magnetic mat and a scraper to remove any residue that sticks to the blade during use. The kit also comes with 6 different types of blades, plus 2 diamond coated blades specifically for sanding. So it looks like this tool can handle a wide variety of tasks. When it comes to tools like this, safety is always my biggest concern. We are dealing with a blade that moves 40,000 times per second, so having anti-cut gloves is basically a must. The fact that they are already included in the kit was a huge plus for me. Now this right here is an old 3D print that failed long ago, but I brought it today because it's a perfect example of why we need an ultrasonic cutter. Many humanoid figures have a super thin part like a strand of hair or delicate accessories. And whether you try to remove them with a regular cutter or just snap them off by hand, you end up breaking the ends more often than not. Especially after curing, they get even more brittle. So now I'm going to show you how to safely remove the support using the ultrasonic cutter. Another great feature of this tool is that it runs on 2 separate power switches. First, you turn on the main power and then press the ultrasonic switch to activate the blade. As you can see in the video, the blade movement is invisible to naked eye while it's running, so that can be dangerous if you are not careful. It seems like this 2-step system was designed to prevent accidents, especially in case you drop the rotary tool while it's on. Now that all the supports are removed, I'm going to switch out the blade on the ultrasonic cutter and clean up the marks left on the hair tips. If you've done this kind of work before, you probably already know that sanding the ends of hair strands is actually trickier than removing support. Alright, let's keep going and get to work. So what do you think? I know it's hard to feel through the screen, but while using it, I was honestly surprised by how effortlessly it cuts through the support. You really don't need to apply any pressure, which saves a ton of time and energy. Also, the sanding blades turned out to be a great option, especially for detailed sanding work where precision really matters. And I honestly think this tool could be used for sculpting directly onto the model. If I get the chance, I will definitely show you that in a future video. Alright, the rest of the test, now let's move on and create the proper piece of the work with it. But first, DJ drop the beat, let's get it. I used the ultrasonic cutter to make this Iron Man SD card holder. And for more details about the product and where to get one, check out the link in the description below. It's been a while since I uploaded the video, and though I really don't want to say this might be the last video from Mr.Kooraft. To be honest, I've almost given up on this channel multiple times due to the sudden and devastating economic situation. But every single time I was able to keep going thanks to the encouragement and support from so many kind people. However, things have taken a turn for the worse. The landlord of the house where I run my restaurant has suddenly demanded 3 times the deposit. Because of this, I'm about to lose not only my restaurant but also my home. And it's not just about being homeless as a Korean living in Nicaragua. It could mean deportation and losing my family. One of my friends in US has even started a fundraiser for me. But the sadness part is GoFundMe doesn't even support Nicaragua, so I couldn't request to help myself. Of course, buying resin for 3D printing is completely out of the question right now. So until things get solved, the Mr.Kooraft channel will most likely go on pause. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all support, comments, and kind messages you've given me over time. And I know it's really embarrassing to say this, but if by any chance you are in a position to help, or you simply want to support not just this channel, but a struggling immigrant family, please check the link in the description. Again, thank you so much for watching, And if I'm ever able to come back, I promise it will be with even better videos than before. I'm wishing all of you nothing but good things ahead. This was Mr. Kooraft. Take care, everyone.